Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best glycolic acid is probably one of the most talked about skincare ingredients for its amazing exfoliating properties, and Paula's Choice is a top contender, but is it worth the hype and your money? In today's video, we're diving deep into Paula's Choice Glycolic Acid 8% Toner, exploring its pros, cons, and whether it lives up to its reputation. We'll analyze its effectiveness, texture, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right addition to your skincare routine. Number 5. Paula's Choice Exfoliant. This is Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting Exfoliant. It's a powerful yet gentle treatment for your skin. It combines both AHAs and BHAs to effectively exfoliate and improve skin texture. This unique blend targets multiple skin concerns. It helps unclog pores, reducing breakouts and improving the overall appearance of your complexion. Say goodbye to blemishes. It also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, revealing smoother, more radiant skin. It's a powerful anti-aging tool. This exfoliant works to even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It promotes a more uniform complexion. It's formulated without fragrance and parabens, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. It's gentle, yet effective. This convenient 1-ounce bottle is perfect for trying it out or taking with you on the go. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine. What we like? It offers a potent blend of AHA and BHA for a powerful exfoliating effect. If you're seeking dramatic improvements in skin texture and tone quickly, this is your best bet. It's ideal for those with visible concerns who want to see significant results fast. What people say. After 24 hours my skin, to me, was more glowy and smooth, and 48 hours after use it was noticeably glowy and smooth, so much that my husband did a triple take. Other benefits I've noticed, it's helped treat and minimize blemishes rapidly, help even my skin tone and texture noticeably, and my skin looks and feels much more comfortable. Every Tuesday night I use the exfoliate instead of the toner. You let it dry completely. It takes about 15 minutes. It works for me. Then about once a month or every 2 weeks on a Friday night, after using the toner, I use exfoliate rinse-off treatment. Afterwards I finish with the boost and night moisturizer. I have been using this weekly as suggested. Apply after using face wash, then leave on for 10 minutes. Splash off and pat face dry. It makes my face soft, cleans out my pores which fill up after a week, and my face looks healthy. It does stink, but who cares? You wash it off. The biggest thing, it does not overdry. It heals skin quickly. Number 4. Paula's Choice 3-Piece Kit. This travel-friendly kit is perfect for keeping your skin looking its best on the go. It includes everything you need for a complete skincare routine. This powerful liquid exfoliant gently removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and reduces the appearance of blemishes. It's a must-have for clearer, smoother skin. This gel exfoliant is great for improving skin texture and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and uneven skin tone. It works to brighten and smooth your complexion. This booster helps to reduce the appearance of large pores, blemishes, and uneven skin tone. It's a powerful addition to your skincare routine. It's formulated without fragrance or parabens, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. You can enjoy the benefits without irritation. The convenient travel sizes make it ideal for trips or keeping in your bag for touch-ups throughout the day. It's the perfect skincare companion. What we like. This travel-friendly kit provides a variety of exfoliating acids to target different skin concerns. If you're looking for a convenient way to try different exfoliants or need a portable skincare routine, this is perfect for you. It's great for those who travel frequently or want to sample different Paula's Choice products. What people say. It does what it says it does and doesn't overdry your skin. I had a weird open pore for years on my neck and within days started closing up. The line on my forehead gone. Under eyes not as dark and lines going away. I have noticed my pores seem smaller. Number 3. Paula's Choice BHA Liquid. This is Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Salicylic Acid Exfoliant. It's a powerful yet gentle exfoliant for your face. It helps to exfoliate your skin, removing dead skin cells and revealing brighter, clearer skin. This is a great way to improve your skin's texture and tone. This product is specifically formulated to target blackheads. It penetrates pores to help clear them out, leaving your skin looking smoother. It also helps to reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, giving your skin a more refined look. You'll notice a visible improvement in your skin's overall appearance. In addition to clearing pores, it helps minimize the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It promotes a more youthful and radiant complexion. With regular use, it will help you achieve a clearer, smoother, and more radiant complexion. Experience the PAULA'S choice difference. What we like. It's formulated with salicylic acid to effectively target blackheads and enlarged pores. If you primarily struggle with clogged pores and blackheads, this is the product for you. It's a great choice for those with oily or acne-prone skin. What people say. It's moisturizing, and feels sticky for the first 5 to 10 minutes after application, but seems to sink into something of a satin finish on me and I can no longer feel it on my skin. My skin feels well hydrated and plump after it settles and looks really smooth and my pores aren't as obvious. It works fairly quickly IMO. On my neck where I typically don't apply my tread at night I noticed the peeling and balling of dead skin on day 1 and on my face where I have a patch of really awful CCs I noticed them getting smaller and smoother by around day 3 to 4. A month later, I can tell you, my pores haven't completely disappeared, but are smaller, and have become shallower as well. With a primer and makeup, I'm very happy that my nose pores no longer stand out. Number 2. PAULA'S Choice AHA BHA Duo. This dynamic duo is your secret weapon against blackheads, enlarged pores, wrinkles, and fine lines. It combines the power of AHAs and BHAs for a truly effective exfoliation experience. The AHA gel gently exfoliates the skin's surface, revealing brighter, smoother skin. It's perfect for tackling those pesky fine lines and wrinkles. This BHA liquid targets pores deep down, clearing out impurities and reducing the appearance of blackheads. It's a game changer for clearer skin. Start by applying the AHA gel, followed by the BHA liquid. Use it as part of your regular skincare routine for best results. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and tone. It's time to reveal your most radiant complexion yet. It features glycolic acid and salicylic acid, powerful ingredients known for their exfoliating and clarifying properties. These work together to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of imperfections. What we like. This duo combines the power of AHA and BHA for a comprehensive exfoliating experience. If you want to tackle multiple skin concerns like wrinkles, pores, and blackheads, this is a great option. It's suitable for those who want a more thorough exfoliation routine. What people say. The stubborn whitehead is gone. Blackheads, clogged pores on my nose seem reduced, the ever-present milia on my chin are markedly reduced in appearance. I also had a huge pimple forming on the side of my face that seems to have gone through the whole pimple life cycle way faster since I started this regimen. The 8% AHA gel, glycolic acid in white bottle, being a gel, is easy to put on with your bare hands. I wash my face and leave it on overnight. The first time I used it when I went to take a shower in the morning and touched my face I was startled because it didn't feel like my face. Your skin feels completely replaced. I half jumped out of the shower to look in the mirror worried that something horrible may have transpired. But it was fine. I probably should have taken before and after pictures because I'm not totally sure what the visual difference is, but you can definitely feel it with your fingers. The pinhead-sized pore plugs visibly shrank 50% or so. You definitely still have pores, but my nose looks eerily smooth and less like the surface of the moon. I definitely prefer this to that one Biore strip I tried. It's a more subtle reduction in pore visibility as opposed to tearing the plugs out and leaving behind pore craters. Number 1. PAULA'S Choice 8% AHA Gel. This innovative exfoliant gently resurfaces your skin, revealing a brighter, more even-toned complexion. It's perfect for those looking to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of blemishes. The 8% AHA concentration provides effective exfoliation without being harsh. It helps to remove dead skin cells, unclogging pores and promoting cell turnover. Formulated with soothing chamomile and green tea, it calms and protects your skin during the exfoliation process. It's suitable for even sensitive skin. Apply it to clean skin at night, after cleansing and toning. Follow with your favorite moisturizer. With consistent use, you'll notice a reduction in fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. It leaves your skin feeling smoother and looking brighter. It's a leave-on exfoliant that works while you sleep, revealing your most radiant complexion. Experience the PAULA'S choice difference. What we like. It's formulated with soothing chamomile and green tea to calm the skin during exfoliation. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a gentle yet effective exfoliant, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to improve skin texture without irritation. What people say. It prevents acne, improves my skin texture and helps me get rid of CCs. Well, let me tell you, this stuff got rid of all my skin problems. I had a mixture of milia, regular acne, and cystic acne on my face. It took about 4 months for my skin to completely clear. It even cleared up stubborn spots that other products were ineffective in. My skin is very sensitive and this has not irritated it. One tiny drop is enough to spread on my entire face. I noticed that it stings a bit and can be drying when I use more than usual. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.